not really posting on YouTube with the Ipsy Glam bag. This is my PR bag, and it is, I hope, still $13 a month. I don't know. I don't purchase it, so please let us know down in the comments if it has went up. I do know that Boxycharm has went up. Did you know that? Not very happy about it. Okay, so the bag is super cute. Love the sequins. So I'll definitely reuse that. And then we've got, oh, this, you know, the glam bags have been better than the actual Boxycharm. It's true. It's really, really true. I have been enjoying them. What is Verifee? 2020 eye cream. 2020 eye cream. There's no way I'm reading this. So, directions for use. Oh my goodness. Using your ring finger, gently pat around the eye. All right, so we have a miniature eye cream. These are your deluxe size samples. Once in a while, you will see a full size item. This looks like a highlighter. Nope, it's not. Downtown Paris. I'm guessing that's what this is here. Yeah. Eyeshadow rose gold. Okay, so this is a cream shadow. The color there. Let's just see. That is the shade. Super pretty. Oh, it's super sticky and it's not blending well. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. Maybe with a brush? Okay. Maybe this is expired. I don't know, but it smells like plastic. And I can't read the expiration date. I don't know. But that is definitely not going on my eye. Ooh, that is my words this month on this being better. All right, next by Ren Beauty, we have a serum. See a lot of Ren Beauty. Ooh, and it's a different kind of packaging than I'm used to. But all right. What the hell do you do with this? How do you... Oh, this, I'm going to need like pliers or something to take this off. All right, we're not going to mess with it. We got a serum. Okay, 2 items left, and by Toy Factory, we have a mini translucent mineral niacinamide setting powder. Wow, we're gonna the really tiny setting powder. I don't know if I can get this open, so let's get some scissors here. Oh boy, there is not enough coffee for this day. Oh, this is cute. It is. Oh, the cap is already coming off. The seal's not real good. There's already some in the cap. So, wow, what is going on? All right. Yeah, that's that. Okay. Next, we have this, which I don't know what it is yet. VC Collection Island Eyeliner. Oh, God, I think it's an eyeliner. I don't know. And it's got that small plastic. Finally, on it. Here we have it. Ooh, and it's pigmented and it's creamy. That's a plus. And I'm not really sure what this little thing is. Maybe it's like an eraser of some sort. We could try it if I could get it open. Hello, hi. What are we doing here? All right. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, it is an eraser. How funny is that? That's definitely not going to work more than once because all right, maybe it's, you know, kind of like a neat concept, sort of, right? I don't know. All right, let's recap. So we got the eyeliner, pretty pigmented. This crap, which is the eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow by Downtown Paris, which I've never heard of. The Toy Factory mineral setting powder with niacinamide. Then we have this guy here, which is a serum. And then we have an eye cream. So tell me what you think of my bag. And let me know if there has been a price increase. I am super, I guess, yeah, I am kind of concerned. I really want to know. So let's talk down in the comments. Thank you so very much for taking the time to watch this video. Happy New Year to you, and I will see you real soon in another one. Bye.